All right, good morning, students. So, Hanji students, how are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
All right, that is wonderful. So, how are your classes going? Classes are going fine as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, completing the assignments and your practical files and keeping up. All right, so I hope it is going well, right? We have almost, I think, crossed the midway of the semester, right? You have your exams in July end. All right, anyway, let's not talk about exams as yet. So, but okay, I was thinking about questions, which I can ask you today in the class, right? So we can have, like, you can think of these as questions for your mock interview, right? So I want all of you to take few minutes and think on the answer and prepare it. And you also have to give me reasons for your answer, right? So my question would be that according to you, what do you think has been the greatest technological invention so far, right? So since you were born, what have you experienced कि काफी big technological leap थी, काफी अच्छी कोई invention हुई है या कोई discovery हुई है, right? Which you feel has been phenomenal. So I hope the question is clear to all, or I'll also write it in the chat.
मैम चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो.
Okay. So what according to you has been the greatest invention or discovery in terms of technology in the past few decades? Why I added decades? ठीक है, तो आप पिछले मतलब it's 2021, right? So you can consider the time, let's say 1990 onwards, or even the time since you were born, right? So what do you think has been something very phenomenal, something very मतलब something very amazing कि आपको अभी भी लगता है कि okay, this is the world we are living in, right? So that would be the question for all of you. So you take your 5 to 7 minutes, think on the answer, right? And also think on the reasons for your answer, since you will be sharing the reasons as well, that why do you think this particular thing or this particular technique, right, this particular technology has been the greatest. All right. So it is good to see a lot of you attending the class today. I think this is the most number of students who have attended the class in the same session, right? Otherwise, the daily attendance is usually 9 students, 8 students. So that is good. Keep it up. So I hope the question is clear to everyone and it is visible to everyone in the chat. Anji, Amit, Arvind, I hope the question is visible to you.
नो मैम, मैम रिपीट कर दो एक बारी।
अच्छा, मैं ना ऐसे करती हूँ, मैं चैट में फिर से सेंड कर देती हूँ।
ठीक है मैम।
सो अभी बेटा, हैव यू रेड इट?
यस मैम।
All right, so now take your 5 minutes, take your 7 minutes, think about the answer, and then we can start sharing. All right, just let me know when your answer is ready. Otherwise, we can start at 11:30. So students, are we ready with our answers? हाँ जी students. So let's start, right? So who will like to go first? So should we start from the first name or you want to start from the? हाँ जी बच्चे, so who would like to go first? Sonali? हाँ जी सोनाली. All right. So what about Vishal? हाँ जी विशाल. Yes, Vishal, is your answer ready?
नो मैम.
All right. So what?
मैम मैम वो नेट से थोड़ा सर्च कर सकते हैं जैसे कि कब इन्वेंशन हुई है कब ऐसे.
हाँ जी वो तो आप कर सकते हो बट वो रीजंस तो आपके मतलब आई वांट योर रीजंस व्हाई यू थिंक इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? इन्वेंशन कब हुई वो तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन सर्च द नेट फॉर दैट, नो प्रॉब्लम. ऑल राइट, व्हाट अबाउट विशाल कुमार?
मैम अभी ढूंढ रहे हैं.
ढूंढ रहे हो क्यों बेटा?
नहीं मतलब सोच रहे हैं अभी क्या इन्वेंशन हुआ है, वो थोड़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन इकट्ठी कर रहे
इन्वेंशन
हैं.
थोड़ा नैरो टर्म होगी. आप कुछ भी सोच सकते हो कि टेक्नोलॉजी में क्या चेंज आया है, राइट?
मैडम
दैट
टेक्नोलॉजी में वैसे मैम एंड्रॉइड्स में गूगल असिस्टेंट अभी आया है, वो बहुत
ओके.
यूजफुल है.
ऑल राइट.
मैम जैसे एप्पल में सीरी होता है ऐसे ही
ओके,
एंड्रॉइड
तो
में गूगल
गूगल
असिस्टेंट है।
असिस्टेंट आया है, ऑल राइट।
मैडम इससे हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी करवा सकते हैं। जैसे हमने बिना हाथ लगाए कहना है कि हे गूगल ओपन ओपन गूगल, या फिर मैडम कुछ भी हम करवा सकते हैं, किसी को कॉल कर सकते हैं, मैसेज कर सकते हैं बिना फोन को हाथ लगाए।
ओके, सो आप इसको जैसे वो कहते हैं ना, पर्सनल डिजिटल असिस्टेंट कहते हैं आई थिंक, जैसे सिरी हो गया या गूगल।
हाँ जी मैडम, वैसे गूगल में हम हिंदी में कर सकते हैं, इंग्लिश में कर सकते हैं, ऐसे कर सकते हैं, पर सीरी में सिर्फ इंग्लिश कर
इंग्लिश
सकते
चलती
हैं,
है,
बोल
सो
सकते
यू
हैं।
फील दिस इज मोर हैज बीन मोर phenomenal, right? This has been a better change, right?
यस मैम।
क्योंकि इन टर्म्स ऑफ लैंग्वेज, अगर लैंग्वेज और अलाउड हो तो नेचुरली वो जो टेक्निक है, राइट, वो जो सर्विस है उसकी रीच ज्यादा होगी।
यस मैम।
All right, so Vishal, you would go with the Google Assistant, right? So you feel that has been a very phenomenal change.
यस मैम।
All right, very good. So, okay, anybody else? So, Jaswinder, why don't you read your answer? हाँ जी जसविंदर। हाँ जी बेटा, अपना आंसर कोई ना रीड कर दो, बहुत अच्छा आंसर लिखा है तुसी। ओके, यू आर समवेयर आउटसाइड, so no problem, you can read it outside also, or no? So all right, I'll read your answer for others. So Jaswinder says that according to me, smartphones are the biggest invention of the decade, because now life is much easier with smartphones, right? We can do anything through the smartphone, like banking, playing games, right? While you're sitting at home. Also, see, you are attending classes through your smartphone, right? So who thought के ऐसे होगा, कोई time आएगा when you won't be able to come to the college and your entire semester is going to be online, right? So okay, Jaswinder, I like your idea. I like your, the choice of the biggest invention. So what about Karan?
मैम इंटरनेट के बारे में बोलो।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बोल सकते हो।
मैम आई थिंक इंटरनेट इज वेरी गुड invention
All
at
right.
this century because it is very useful for all over world. All types of questions and problems has answer on internet.
Right.
All businessmen are use internet to running their business, and it is also helpful for students to study and learning new things. And by the use of internet we can check the news of all over world.
Definitely, I agree with you. Just say internet has been one phenomenal invention, right? It has opened up a whole new world for us.
Yes.
बिल्कुल, जैसे अब आपका अगर हम देखें कि कितना कुछ हमारी पूरी, अगर आप अपना एवरेज डे कंसिडर करो फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टिल नाइट, राइट, इंटरनेट हैज अ बिग रोल टू प्ले। ठीक है, हम जो यूट्यूब देखते हैं, देन नाउ वी ऑल लिसन टू सॉन्ग्स, द सॉन्ग्स आर ऑल अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन, राइट, ऑल द एप्स दैट वी यूज, द क्लासेस यू आर अटेंडिंग, राइट, अगर आपने फूड ऑर्डर करना है, यू आर यूजिंग इंटरनेट। ठीक है, आपने कुछ भी करना है, हम इंटरनेट से कितनी आज शॉपिंग करें, other than that the knowledge that is available out there, right? So definitely internet is a one big invention of the past few years, right? So okay, Nikhil, what would you say is the biggest invention?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, according to me, the Vayujal technology is the most important and biggest invention of this decade.
All right.
As a similar like his name, it is a generator which generates the pure form of water from the air, uh, just consuming some electric energy.
All right.
And in the country like India, the second biggest population of the world. The drinking water is a major problem in many regions. The people who don't get their clean water, where the Vayujal technology came in front. It is a company in Madras, which was started by a professor of chemistry department,
All right.
and this technology nowadays are becoming famous and very useful for many of the regions of the India, and also many foreign regions which needs water like Dubai.
Right.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. So that was wonderful, Nikhil. So I never knew there exists such technology as well. And see, this idea is so practical and so required, right? And it is a very simple take on a very big problem, right? So simple solution for a problem. So okay, that was a good answer. So now let's talk to Arvind. Is your answer ready? हाँ जी अरविंद.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
According to me, the great invention of decade is artificial intelligence,
All right.
and artificial intelligence work in every field of technology, like our smartphones and cars. If we, unlike the AI that could say identify faces in photos or beat you in chess, but don't much else. Like the like Google Assistant is perhaps the closest thing sim- related to the AI. Yet that what's known as general artificial intelligence. The Google Assistant like Siri is installed on the Google Home, smart speaker, Google phones, and other, and make calendars reminders
Right.
or scan internet for answers to questions in one talk. Sometimes with a dose of humor and can instantly translate spoken words into different languages
Right.
in which language we are comfortable when it comes to accurately understanding what you want.
So even I read it that the now with artificial intelligence, so the technology has advanced so much that the stories can also be written.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So जो जैसे जो पहले सोचा गया था which is only within the purview of human beings, like the creative arts. So artificial intelligence has grown to that point where it can take up all those responsibilities as well, right? All those creative activities as well.
Ma'am, with the help of artificial intelligence in future, we can it most of the time apply in our robots.
All right. Yes. So, giving the robots the decision making skills,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Rather than just, programming to do certain fixed tasks.
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you think that artificial intelligence has the, potential to take over human beings or just to, replace us?
Ma'am, artificial intelligence helps the human. They need to, with the help of artificial intelligence, we can do different work.
All right.
That was do man normally
All
without.
right. So you say that artificial intelligence is only going to make work easier for us, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you don't think maybe it will grow to a point where we might be totally replaced?
Yes, it be replaced, but they give the chance human to do different things.
Like something else instead of those same monotonous tasks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So don't you believe in that, that apocalyptic idea that maybe one day they will take over the human race, that artificial intelligence might grow to a point where it will become dangerous?
Ma'am, it's upon the usage of human.
All right.
How the every human mind is different working.
Right.
How they can we use it?
So it is more up to us how we use it and how we, manipulate it or control it.
Yes, ma'am.
So if the technology finds its way into, let's say, evil hands, then certainly there can be such repercussions as well, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Like if we talk about, bioweapons, right, or even medical research. So just is all this, talk about corona being considered as a bioweapon, right? So it is all dependent that it could have been medical research gone wrong, or maybe they were planning to introduce this as a bioweapon only. We don't know, right? It could be either ways.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Arvind. So that is good. So your answer would be artificial intelligence, right?
Ye-
So that is wonderful. So now let's talk to Sonali. So Sonali, what would be your answer?
Ma'am, mine answer is Tesla Powerwall.
Can you repeat Tesla?
Powerwall.
Oh, Powerwall.
W. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Um,
So why don't you elaborate a little about it?
yes, ma'am, I will.
I'll in the meantime, I'm searching for it
As a,
on. Mhm.
as the server become more and more affordable, it's cheap gas and coil in my part of the country. The new challenge becomes finding a way from your home to store, use it when needed. Thus,
Sonali, your voice
Powerwall
is
launched
breaking. Is the internet signal fine at your end?
ma'am, it was
Either it could be my internet as well, right? So is everybody else able to hear Sonali correctly? Clearly, I would say.
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, voice is I'm breaking.
Okay. Sonali, try again. I think अभी आपने reconnect किया, so शायद ठीक से आवाज आ जाए.
yes, ma'am. As a as a solar power become more and more affordable, it's cheaper than gas and coal in many parts of the country. The new challenge become finding a way for your home to store excess energy and use it when needed. Tesla Powerwall, launched in 2015, offered the ability with a high level of specific, specific sorry, ma'am.
That's okay. Continue.
So it was very difficult word for me.
Why don't you
So
spell it
I will
out? I
try
can
how
help you.
sophistication. I think
Sophistication.
sophistic. Yeah, ma'am.
All right.
Yeah. Leading you program your users to calculate energy during off-peak hours, then consume it at peak times, as state being to peak times, as state be sorry, ma'am. Implement energy freezing that the various based on the time of using California, Arizona already have that mean it will save you even more money while also putting less stress on local power plants.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
That was good. So yes, I was, curious to check this out. So I found its website online. So this is what you were talking about, right? The Tesla Powerwall. So it is
Yes,
using
ma'am.
solar energy and there is no chance of an outage, right? That is good. I'll definitely read more about this. I did not know about this idea. I do follow Tesla and its activities, but it is mostly about, the SpaceX company or the cars that they have. So I did not explore this side ever. That was a good answer from your side, Sonali. Well done. So I think Vishal is left,
Yes, ma'am.
right, Vishal? So your answer is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am, according to me, the biggest invention is 3D printing.
Very good. I was actually thinking
Ma'am,
about it right now. So yes, I would definitely want to hear more about it.
yes, ma'am. The 3D printing was invented by Chuck Hull in 1986. Ma'am, it was used in specialized area in for last early years for developing like in a
Mm-hmm.
medical structuring and
Mm-hmm.
architecture and artificial items. So, ma'am, benefits of 3D printing is rapid prototype. It's matlab, uh, it's when we command on the computer, it's make exactly what we want. So, ma'am, printing on demand, ma'am, and it's lightweight and strong, fast, minimize waste as uh, when we do printing, it's working is a layer by it's working done by layer. So that's why what we gave a design. So exactly they print.
All right.
Fast designing and cheap as you can make it. We use a cheap material, so its cost is also effective by its material.
So you would say it is cost effective, right? It is good for the environment. It is faster technology, more precise.
यस मैम 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 सबसे अच्छा है मैम इसका यही है कि मैम वेस्ट ज़्यादा नहीं होता मैम जैसे बाकियों में जब हम कोई भी स्ट्रक्चर बनाते जैसे कि वुड का हो गया या फिर मेटल का हो गया तो उसमें वेस्ट हमें निकालना पड़ता है इसमें सिर्फ कमांड दी और जितना मटेरियल लगेगा उसी से ये लेयरिंग से जो चीज़ हमको चाहिए वही बना देगा और साइड वाइज मटेरियल भी वेस्ट नहीं होगा
All right. So I never knew it is as old as 1986, you tell me, right?
यस मैम
I thought ये थोड़ा recent है because I got to know about it in recent years only.
मैम आई वाज सफरिंग फ्रॉम गूगल
हाँ जी, अरे
मैम
आप
गूगल से देखा
गूगल से देखा, ओके ओके, नो दैट मस्ट बी करेक्ट कि 1986 का मतलब होगा। अभी शायद इसका मतलब इट हैज बीन मोर इन डिस्कशन, मोर टॉक्ड अबाउट, एंड प्रोबेबली विद टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट दिस टेक्नोलॉजी हैज बिकम मोर अफोर्डेबल, राइट?
यस यस मैम
तो पहले जब स्टार्ट इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ होगा इट मस्ट हैव बीन वेरी एक्सपेंसिव जैसे यूजुअली टेक्नोलॉजी इज, एंड अभी शायद फिर इट इज मोर अफोर्डेबल, सो दैट इज व्हाई it is more common and people are using it in their
यस मैम
operations.
जैसे मैं पहले पहले सिर्फ मैम इंडस्ट्रीज में जो बड़ी बड़ी जिसको मैम यूनिक डिजाइन बनाने होते थे तो उनके पास ही होता था एक अब लेकिन मैम जो हाउस होल्ड या फिर आर्किटेक्चर्स होते हैं मैम उनके लिए जो प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं मतलब छोटे से छोटे काम के लिए भी ये यूज होने लगा क्योंकि ये चीप थोड़ा अफोर्डेबल हो गया मैम
Okay, all right.
और मैम जो जैसे कि हमारे मेडिकल लाइन में जैसे हमें छोटे से स्टंट्स जो होते हैं कोई मेटल के होते हैं तो कोई प्लास्टिक है इससे लेकिन वो फिर भी एक्यूरेट नहीं होते और डिजाइन थोड़ा उनका यूनिक होता तो मैम अब 3D प्रिंटिंग से मैम वैसे वो डिजाइन बनाने लगे और इससे मैम टाइम भी कम लगता है और
Mm-hmm.
मैम मनी भी कम लगती है तो इफेक्टिव हो गया मैम 3D प्रिंटिंग
Okay, so even for medical technology काफी यूज हो रहा है ना?
यस मैम
All right. So Vishal, that was a very good pick for, one technological leap, which you would say has been phenomenal in the past few years. And I really liked it how you explained it so well, and you included the various advantages, why you think it is so good, right? So other than that, all of you answered really well. I like your answers. And I got to learn so much about this. So I'm definitely going to read on Tesla, Powerwall, and also 3D printing, right? And Vayujal as well, because these were the things I might not have, I might have heard of them, but I did not know in detail about what they are about, right? So students, thank you very much for attending the class, right? You make this class so interesting and your insights are always so valuable. Okay, bache? So we will meet again tomorrow, I believe. Do we have a class tomorrow? I think we do, right? So bache, kal milte hain then. So goodbye from my side and thank you for attending. All right, आपकी क्लास अटेंड करके मुझे भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. So that was all. I am ending the class now.